Hello everybody and welcome to another unboxing video. Today's unboxing is obviously Pop Mart, but it is the comeback of the Winter Symphony. Da, 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 da. I got 6 boxes. I didn't get it's supposed to be in like a display box because they didn't have that option, so I had to do it in the Pop Now mini game type of thing where you shake the box in the app and you kind of guess what you want. I just got all 6, so I don't really get duplicates. I do know what's in these already because they kind of showed me when I ordered my items. One of them I'm gonna keep sealed to either sell or to give away as a present, whilst the rest of them I will open and showcase what it looks like in real life. So I now have the full set of the Winter Symphony series of Skullpanda from Pop Mart, and as of this recording there is a release for the new one that just came out, like You Found Me. It's kind of like a New York-y type of vibe, and your girl got the whole set. I battled all the bots and I got the whole set, so I'm doing that unboxing whenever it comes. We're gonna unbox them. I'm super duper excited. Let's start with this one. So it tells you at the bottom here of who it is. This one is Wondrous Tune, which is this like reindeer girl. If it could focus and not me, it's like this girl here. Let's see what she looks like in person. So dun, da, da, da. Look how pretty she is. She's in like a nice brown color, which I like. Cute, like little reindeers. This is like kind of Christmassy themed. Gonna go with the Christmas outfit if I ever do Christmas outfits. Alrighty, next one is this one, and the person is Partita. I will butcher names. I do apologize. I think this is the one that I least wanted, but it's still part of the set, so sometimes it'll grow on me. Like the exciting macaron colors. Like at first I didn't like it, but then as I look at it and got a hold of it, it kind of grew on me. So maybe this will grow on me in person, you know, because sometimes looks can be deceiving. This is what she looks like. I'm unsure of the pink. I thought it'd be like a Christmas tree vibe. I am not judging. She's very cute. She's kind of wonky, not gonna lie. Maybe it's because of the bow. This is like my hyperfixation now, like doing plush pendant like figures. This is the Song of Snow, which is like this blue one here, which is one of my top favorite ones. So I'm excited to see what it looks like because it'll go well with my other like Skullpanda figures over there. They're now on display, but now that I have like these guys, I'm like, oh my god, where else am I gonna display them? So I gotta rearrange my figure wall. As you can see behind me, that's chock full of like amazing things that I like. Look, she is so pretty. She has like a little scarf. Hold on. Get out of the cage. It has like a little Skullpanda on it. Oh, you can't really see, but Skullpanda. That is so cute. She's like my top 2. My top 1 you will see in a sec, but I love her to bits. This one is Ode to Cocoa for hot chocolate, I think. So it might be like a hot chocolatey type of vibe. We'll find out when we see it in just a bit. Ooh, I'm not sure how I feel about the orange, but let you be free from your plastic. Look how cute. Every one of these is so cute. It's not really prominent, the cookies, compared to the box. The box looks like it has more like floofiness. I don't know. This one's like kind of flat. That's like my one critique, but I still love her no matter what. Lucky Last is my top one that I wanted for the longest time if I could find it. It's this one, the beautiful Rhapsody that's at the front. I've seen the secret one and I do like it. It's just very expensive when people resell it. It's like 180 bucks, I think. It's not the end of the world if I don't get the secret and whatnot. I'm just happy I got these because these are, alongside, I believe, like Labubus are the hardest to get. Look at my top one that I love to bit. Look how pink she is. Look how cute she is. Her skirt scarfy thing is so... it's not like flat. It keeps going up. But I'm gonna try to flat it. She's so cute. I love her heart eye. Little earmuffs on the side as well. It's so like sparkly like her little cape. She's so precious! Yay! Okay, and then the last one I'm not gonna open, but this is the rock-on one that I got already. I got the rock-on one from my previous vlogs where I went to Smash, where they like sponsored the convention. So I won't be opening this, but overall, we got these lovely little cuties right here. Like, look how cute they are. That is it for the unboxing of the sold out, as always, the Skullpanda Winter Symphony Series. I hope that you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys all in my next vlog where I'll be going to various events because I got 3 events lining up as of this recording. So gotta be lots more adventures to come. So bye everyone, take care, love y'all, see you, bye.